Good morning, dear students. Look here. Now, you already completed 7 problems of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, x plus a into x plus b, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now, some more problems that is connected with the textbook, that is in page number 151. It is not necessary to do all the problems. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഞാൻ തന്നെ തരാം. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം കൂടി വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യണം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ. Simplify. That is 8m plus 7n whole square minus 8m minus 7m whole square. Are you ready? This is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, already you studied that. 8m whole square plus 2 into 8m into 7m plus 7m whole square. A square 2 into a into b square minus, that is in bracket because it is negative, that is 8m whole square minus 2 into 8m into 7m, 2ab plus b square is 7m whole square. Are you ready? Now this is 64m square, you remember that, plus 112m, you multiply 2, 8 and 7, you get 112. This 7 square 49 and n square minus, bracket is not removed. This is 64m square minus, you multiplied 112m and plus 49m square. Is it clear? Now the next, this is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. It is negative. Minus nu parayumba bracket idam marakkarudhu ട്ടോ. Minus ni bracket. Ini bracket maatam. Now this minus is applicable for all the terms. So 64m square plus 112mn plus 49n square minus 64n square minus minus plus 112mn, minus minus plus again minus 49n square. Is it clear? Now 64n square minus 64n square cancels. This is n square. 49n square minus 49n square also cancels. So 112 plus 112 equal to 224 mn is the final answer. Is it clear? Watch well the video, do it clearly. Okay. First of all, you watch the example. ആദ്യ example നോക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് home assignment ഞാൻ തരുമ്പോൾ ചെയ്യാം. Remember, it's an essay. It carries 3 marks. Okay. Next, that is question number 2. Question is same. Simplify. Simplify a square minus b square whole square. That's also a plus b whole square. Look at here. A square whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square whole square. A square whole square is a raised to 2 into 2, 4. You remember that? Minus. You multiply, you get 2a square b square plus it is b square whole square is b raised to 4. That's your answer. It's a simple application of a plus b, a minus b whole square. Is it clear? That's one of the question. Next. That is 5m minus 8n whole square plus 5m minus 8n whole square. Are you ready? This is a minus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Look very carefully. That is 5m whole square plus, that is minus 2 into first term into second term. 2 into this term and that term. Plus square of this is 8n whole square. Is it clear? Plus. Here it is not negative, it is plus. Negative ആണെങ്കിൽ bracket വേണം. Negative അല്ലെങ്കിൽ this term is 5m whole square plus 2 into 5m into 8n plus 8n whole square. Is it clear? One of them is a minus whole square, other is a plus whole square. And the square is 25m square minus, you multiply, you get 80m. Here it is 64n square. 8 in the square, 64, n in the square, n square. And that is also 25m square plus, you multiply, you get 80mn plus, that term is 64m square. Is it clear? Minus 80mn plus 80mn get cancelled. 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. 25m square plus 25m square is 50m square. 64m square plus 64m square is 128m square. That is the final answer. It's clear? Okay. Very carefully the steps. A minus rho square, a plus b rho square. And you complete it. So sum of the term get cancelled. That's your final answer. Okay. Next. Again the same series, that is simplified. AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. 2AB square C. Once again use the list. Are you ready? Now this one is A plus B whole square. A square means AB whole square plus 2AB, 2 in the first term in the second term, plus second term square BC square. First term square, 2 into this term, that term, second term square. A square, 2AB B square, minus the third is 2AB square C. Are you ready? Now this is A square B square plus, if you multiply 2, A, B into B, B square C. A variable area, B into B, B square will C. This is B square C square. Is it clear? Now plus 2AB square C minus 2AB square C get cancelled. They are like terms. 2 minus 2 0. The remaining answers A square B square plus other one B square C square. That is the final answer. Remember the question is simplified. Is it all? Okay. I will give you examples and programs later. Okay. You prepare well and watch well the video. If the video is clear, then you write the programs. But if you watching video, you do the same programs also. Okay. So your home assignment is programs given in these examples. And I will give you later examples also. Are you ready? Okay.